Column addition is basically a way of stopping digits from causing chaos. Every digit gets a seat, every seat has a place value, and nobody is allowed to wander into the wrong column. The first rule is simple: organize the digits by place value. Ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, and so on. The second rule is just as important: add from right to left. We always start with the smallest place value on the right-hand side, and here is the carry rule that keeps appearing on the side of the table. If a column total is 10 or more, write the right digit in the answer row and carry the left digit into the next column. In other words, write right, carry left. It sounds like a tiny dance move, but it is doing serious maths work. We start with whole numbers. The first example is 347 plus 58. Notice how 58 is lined up on the right, because its 8 belongs in the ones column and its 5 belongs in the tens column. There is no hundreds digit in 58, so that space is treated as 0. Ones first, 7 plus 8 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. Tens next, 4 plus 5 plus, the carried one is 10. Write 0, carry 1. Hundreds next, 3 plus 0, plus the carried one is 4, so the answer is 405. The 0 matters. It is not there for decoration. It is holding the tens place like a very quiet security guard. Next example, 286 plus 147. The digits zoom into the table again, and the columns do the organizing for us. Ones column, 6 plus 7 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. Tens column, 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. Hundreds column, 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4, so the answer is 433. Now we get a carry all the way through. 748 plus 596. Ones, 8 plus 6 is 14. Write 4, carry 1. Tens, 4 plus 9 plus 1 is 14. Write 4, carry 1. Hundreds, 7 plus 5 plus 1 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. That carried one has nowhere to go inside the original hundreds columns, so a new thousands column appears. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. The answer is 1,344. Do not leave that final carry behind. It has worked too hard to be forgotten. The fourth whole number example is 3,876 plus 2,498. The table now has a thousands column, but the method has not changed. Bigger numbers, same plan. Maths is being dramatic, not difficult. Ones column, 6 plus 8 is 14. Write 4, carry 1. Tens column, 7 plus 9 plus 1 is 17. Write 7, carry 1. Hundreds column, 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. Thousands column, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 6,374. Now the final whole number example is the big one. 482,936 plus 57,489. The second number is shorter, so it is right aligned. Its ones digit sits under the ones, its tens digit under the tens, and its 10,000s digit under the 10,000s. The empty 100,000s place is treated as 0. Ones, 6 plus 9 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. Tens, 3 plus 8 plus 1 is 12. Write 2, carry 1. Hundreds, 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14. Write 4, carry 1. Thousands, 2 plus 7 plus 1 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. 10,000s, 8 plus 5 plus 1 is 14. Write 4, carry 1. 100,000s, 4 plus 0 plus 1 is 5. That gives 540,425. Same rule, bigger table. Write the right digit, carry the left digit. Now we switch to decimals. Do not panic. Decimals are just place value wearing a tiny dot. The extra rule is to line up the decimal points first. Once the points are lined up, tenths sit with tenths, hundredths sit with hundredths, and thousandths sit with thousandths. First decimal example, 3.47 plus 0.58. Start on the right in the hundredths column. 7 plus 8 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. Tenths column, 4 plus 5 plus 1 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. Ones column, 3 plus 0 plus 1 is 4. Bring the decimal point straight down. The answer is 4.05. Next decimal example, 6.80 plus 3.75. The 0 in 6.80 is useful because it makes the hundredths column clear. Hundredths, 0 plus 5 is 5. No carry. Tenths, 8 plus 7 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. Ones, 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. Write 0, carry 1 into the tens column. Tens, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. The answer is 10.55. The decimal point has not moved. It stays lined up, calm as anything, while the carries do the traveling. The next decimal example is 8.37 plus 6.96. Line up the decimal points, then work from the right. Hundredths column, 7 plus 6 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. Tenths column, 3 plus 9 plus 1 is 13. Write 3, carry 1. Ones column, 8 plus 6 plus 1 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. Tens column, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. The answer is 15.33. This is a good moment to notice something important. Carrying can cross the decimal point. That is fine. The decimal point does not move. It simply drops straight down into the answer. Now we have 24.58 plus 17.47. Tens with tens, ones with ones, tenths with tenths, hundredths with hundredths. Beautifully organized. Very satisfying. Honestly, this is what stationery was invented for. Hundredths, 8 plus 7 is 15. Write 5, carry 1. Tenths, 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. Ones, 4 plus 7 plus 1 is 12. Write 2, carry 1. Tens, 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 42.05. Again, that 0 after the decimal point matters. 42.05 means 42 and 5 hundredths. If the 0 disappears, the place value starts telling a different story, and nobody asked for a plot twist. Final decimal example, 5.378 plus 2.64. The first number goes to thousandths, but the second number only goes to hundredths. So in the table, 2.64 becomes 2.640. That placeholder 0 does not change the value. It just keeps the columns tidy. Start in the thousandths column, 8 plus 0 is 8, no carry. Hundredths, 7 plus 4 is 11. Write 1, carry 1. Tenths, 3 plus 6 plus 1 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. Ones, 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. Bring the decimal point straight down. The answer is 8.018. So here is the full checklist. Line up the digits by place value. For whole numbers, right-align the digits. For decimals, line up the decimal points first. Start on the right and add one column at a time. Include any carry-in before you write the answer digit. If the column total is 10 or more, write the right digit and carry the left digit. Neat columns are not just about looking pretty. They stop mistakes. They keep every digit in its own lane. And honestly, some digits need supervision.